What up, my name's Zay. Welcome to today's vlog. We are currently right now, my friend's Evo. We at Love Park Garage in Philly. Trying to figure out what to do today. We just came back from the auto show. You guys are gonna see some footage of that.
I don't want to be a product of my environment. I want my environment to be a product of me.
In our thing, you get sent for, you go in alive, you come out dead, and it's your best friend that does it.
But check this shit out. What kind of exhaust setup you got?
I got ETS cap bag, ETS test pipe, and ETS down pipe.
How much? How much?
What, for all of it?
Yeah.
Like 1,600. And then I got a custom Mafia bleed.
If you guys want an Evo, this is for sale.
Yeah, right. Nah,
this is for
I ordered mad shit for this fucking car.
Damn.
I got full 85 coming in.
Curb brass.
Window vents. Yeah,
So what happened? How you wheel pop off? Dude, this dude's fucking wheel popped off when he was driving.
Who said that?
You told me that.
Nah, this wheel blew up. When I was driving, it blew off from its alignment. Because when I was driving on 22, yo, I hit something and it knocked my whole camera off. I didn't know that.
That's how your bumpers all fucked up, right?
No, this is from being low. He was there when I broke my bumper, AJ. I was going down a driveway after work, bro, and my lip caught on the thing and it snapped the whole clip off. It's fucked. But I ordered the quick release things, canards. This is gonna paint mash, and the whole thing's gonna resprayed in the front, and then we're gonna get it ceramic coated and clear abroad when I get my car fucking put in front of this. And the wheels are getting powder coated. The wheels, I got these wheels for free like this.
Brembos.
The only thing I did was put the
Dude, those are some nice wheels. What size are these?
wheels.
Yeah.
They're 1810 pounds. They're wide as hell, yeah.
Nice.
And then I got ACT, Stage 3 clutch in it, ETS range downpipe, intake. I just ordered a boost controller, trim speed. I ordered a towel, blow valve.
Damn, this guy got the money, bro. He got the list. Got the list. Wanna bang?
Yeah, I'm trying to get bags.
Add him on the gram.
So,
Go ahead, bro. Start it up. Start it up. RIP to headphone users.
on E85, I'm gonna two-step like anti-lag.
He's gonna get that corn feel.
Yeah, that's the expensive shit.
What you got, Matt? What you got?
Matt, let him hear that V8.
He said rum pa 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 pa. I actually got a cameraman today, Brett.
Yo.
Brett, hit him up.
No.
Nah, I was kidding. He's single, ladies.
Oh yeah.
He's single. Nah, he's gonna be my cameraman. Hold the shit, bro. So, just came back from Philly auto meet. We're gonna go to another meet. About to make some noise in the parking garage. We're gonna be following Josh. This is probably, we actually shouldn't be following Josh because Josh got lost on the way here. He just kept on going in the same circle on the same floor. Crazy. And all you gotta do, Josh, is follow the fucking signs. Look, one way, this way. Get it. Hey, that's what you need, babe. Oh fuck, you need the fucking ticket shit. Fuck. Yeah, there was some nice ass cars at that fucking auto show. Nice ass cars. I need gas too. Look at all those fucking. Damn. Imagine me now. It's cold as fuck here though. It's fucking. Damn. 44 degrees. Doesn't even feel like it's 44 degrees. City life.
Knowing I was frontin', I said I'm like a pro, baby. Knowing I was stuntin'.
I hear someone's GPS going. I hear it's turn left, turn right. Like what the fuck? Here, I'll put this thing on so you can see. God, pop the curb! Pop the curb! this. Hey, this shit's actually lit. See what's going on here. I'm gonna leave my phone in here. No, actually, I'm bringing my phone with.
Oh, the black, all black Hellcat.
It's fucking mad cars here, bro. I'm just gonna give you guys the walk around. Look at all these marks. People were doing donuts here. Music's loud, but it got no bass, guys. Everybody here is probably coming from that Philly auto show. For sure. I don't think this is gonna get shut down. Nobody's doing nothing now. Besides this nigga right here playing loud ass music. Yeah, there's mad cars here. We lost Josh. Let's find Josh. Yo, let's try to find Josh. It smells like mad weed, bro.
Yeah. It's Philly.
It smells like mad weed. They probably, I think people right here in the car behind me are smoking. I'm sorry, I heard birds and for some reason I thought it was coming from my car. I was like, wait, what? But anyway. Yo guys, I'm sorry man, my camera died that night and I didn't get no more footage. I know, but don't worry, you guys didn't miss anything. Really, it was just people walking around and looking at each other's hoopties, you know what I'm saying? Or each other's cars. It was really nothing. Besides, dude was playing loud ass music and I had to go through and like edit some of that out so I didn't get copyrighted. And that was the whole process and it was just, so it's whatever. I guess, you know, everything happens for a reason. But there is another meet coming up that I definitely want to go to so I can, you know, take you guys with and you can see, because I heard it's gonna be lit and it's gonna be nice out because that meet was cold. It was cold, I'm not gonna lie. So like, to be honest, I was just like walking around like fast. I wasn't like actually taking a chance to admire, you know, people's work. But definitely stay tuned for that, you know what I mean? There's definitely gonna be a lot of cars, like 200, maybe less, maybe more. That turnout is probably gonna be like a lot better than this one. I do know that this is like on like property, so cops shouldn't be a problem. You know what I mean? Like that's not gonna be an issue. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for that. For real, that's just gonna be lit. But I guess I should close this video out. So if you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button, like this video. Tell me what in the comments below, tell me what car you guys like the most from the auto show, because there was a ton of them and I want to see what people on the channel like what kind of cars they like. But yeah, thank you for watching. My name's Zay and I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video.